In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Trader Workstation from interactive brokers. Now, there's actually a few ways you can do this, and I'm going to show you all of them. So, the first one is, in case you have your Trader Workstation open right now, you want to go to the very top left, click on File, and from here, as you can see, it's going to show you a bunch of different options here, and then this one says Change Version. So you want to click on that and hover over it, and then in case you are currently not on the latest version, make sure you click on the latest, and then follow the prompts on your screen, and that's basically going to update this to the latest version. Now also, if you have, of course, installed the laptop or the computer version of Interactive Brokers, then usually it's going to automatically update about every month or so, so you can just go ahead and whenever you open up the app, you'll get the notification, or it's just going to automatically update, so you usually don't have to worry about that. But if you are sure that there should be an update and it hasn't yet happened for your app, there may be an error. So what you can do is actually close it down. So just close it completely, and then you want to go to Interactive Brokers official website. You want to go to Trading up top, and then you want to click on Platforms. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit. You want to find Trader Workstation, or TWS, and you want to click on it. And then from here, you want to just go ahead and actually download it again, install it yet again. So it's going to download like this. Just basically reinstall it, and whenever you do that, it's going to update automatically to the latest version. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.